thinking of drilling all of the steel if this works. But there's also a cut, because they came in cardboard boxes, of slightly more appropriate bolts. I like the heads on these, and I like the fact that they're hex nuts. I can't find you. There you are, focus. So hex nuts, nice heads there. Expensive when you buy them in packs of 20. Be interesting to see how much 2,000 of them are. Okay, I can remove this, and that's moved home. So that is now down at my feet rather than in a different room. So, the big reveal to us. Oh, by the way, this cut here, I found. Let me just move you a little bit. Which arrow to click? It's not that one. Maybe it's one of these. There we go. So, stood on something sharp. This edge here, I filed off the edges off the old table. You can see my fingers. So the old table sat here. I was talking earlier that it's just in place temporarily. I filed off the edges of all of this. I didn't file off the edges of all of this. And this cut, this rip, this tear is looking suspiciously straight. And I think that's when I folded it, rolled it forwards, and it's just gone on this knife edge. And I'm not going to do that. But it is damn sharp. So I'm feeling less bad about that. So that's a preset. This is all dry. I'm going to talk you through some stuff in a moment. We want to get all the resin runs on the table, because then it's not in the ultralight infuser. I'm going to pull in the same direction. I should try and keep it on the table. Well, there's a lot going on. We've got the air channel as well. Go back over to here. I'm not even looking at this. Okay. That's off. Let's have a little look. Tiny bits of resin here and there. You can't see all that well. I'm not sure if this is any better than digitally zooming. I don't think it's optically zooming. Whoops, wrong way. Sorry. Yeah, I'm still alive. Anyway, that is mostly clean. I would apply the hoover. Now, where it's not clean, you can instantly feel there's some here. I would bring out my 3D printed tool attachments. This is all clean. There's a bit of junk on here. Can't see it, but you can feel it. Let's try and pull that off. Oh, in one piece. I've zoomed in, haven't I? Don't need to zoom in now. So just trying to pull this off in one piece. But it's not happening. Not too bad. So this was at the top, just tiny, super thin skin types of epoxy. But again, when I'm got the vacuum, I will vacuum it all. Can report to you that it is all dry. Now, while I'm still thinking about it, we have epoxy in the port. You don't have epoxy in the port. What happens if this port gets blocked? I haven't really thought about that. Let's get a certain type of stick if I've got one. It's not there. Okay, I was looking for the stirrers that are not this big. But I can't see any in front of me. I did find this. It's a catering plastic knife. Packs of 100, incredibly cheap, and I can just scoop, get through. Oh, broke it. Said incredibly cheap until we're out the other side. So that would have pushed any resin that was still left in there, or it will pull. Just going to scrape around as I come out, see if there's anything in there, and there isn't. Oops, I don't know where you are. Yeah, can't make much sense of that with this lighting. So that can go back in. We are done with this until we have to hoover up. I must make a note to check these ports. This is resin in. Just a quick poke with my finger. Okay, found some. Come back, all is forgiven. Can you hear it? Ah, just flicked it out. That is an absolutely minuscule amount. I confirm by the lack of scraping noises, that is all there was. My finger deep inside. Just a tiny bit. No, not saying that will happen every time, because every time for me so far is about 3 with this current system. Over 25 if you include all the others. Okay, now I was a bit concerned. I can see where the wax is. When I was rolling things back, resin did get where I didn't want it. So I'm a bit concerned about whether I got wax in all the right places, or whether we now have resin in unwaxed places. We're about to find out together, I think. Yeah, better on the table than it is on the infuser. It's easier. Let's get my £1,000,000. Ooh. Just going to be a bit slow and methodical over this. If I can get it up in less pieces. It's better than chiseling down from above. Okay, I've lost my way out. I was going around the outside. Then I got distracted by the resin infusion racetrack. And there's the texture. Yeah, they're still coming up delightfully. Which, given the lack of waxing, should a lot of faith in the wax. If you're using a fiberglass mold, it's like 5 or 6 layers of wax. I'm not sure I would want to do less, given that you can't take 5,000 grit sanding paper to a fiberglass mold and expect to keep your job. Well, if you own that mold, then not think yourself a little bit of a muppet for not applying those extra layers of wax. Unless you can. Should we do our cup test? Let's do our cup test. Again, it's lightweight. So I think my little scales can cope with that. That's 0. So there's only 47 grams in there. I'm not sure whether that was new or not. Could add that to stuff that came out of the resin cup. 0 that. Pop that in. 28 grams in this. You could add these bits to it. 29.9930. Didn't register. 30.21. Okay. Nicely in the bin. Now, point to note. Going dumpster diving. Notice how I folded that and it didn't crack. That is telling you that this epoxy is not fully cured. So do not make a 2-meter flat panel and then stand it up against the wall and let it cure for the remaining time. Keep it flat. Keep it vertical. None of this 15 degrees, 50 degrees stuff, you know. Okay, that way. None of this leaning it up against a wall stuff. No, 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 no. Yes. Coming in underneath the parts, let's just remove this. This is why you use silicone intensifiers. That's the standard word. That's a word I don't have to invent. That's the removal of a silicone intensifier. This is a box section steel intensifier. Think it's going to be that easy? I'm not so sure. Okay, let's start. Let's get underneath perforated film. Careful not to scratch the table. Whoa. That pops up easily. Now, I did see my red thing recently, so I don't know where it is. So I just... I'm a very serious, mature adult. Isn't that easy? Look, remember I insert that. Rather, I remembered to insert that. Stay the same with this one.